Getting too many annoying emails every day. Here is how to unsubscribe in seconds on iPhone and Android. This works with almost any email you receive. Let's fix it. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Now open any email from the sender you want to stop. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that email. You will see an option that says unsubscribe. Tap on it. Now it may ask you to open a page in your browser. Just choose your default browser. Wait a second for the page to load. You'll see something like an email preference center. Here, tap on unsubscribe from all emails. Once you do that, you'll get a confirmation message. And that's it. From now on, you won't receive emails from that sender anymore. This is super helpful because it cleans up your inbox fast. You stop getting spam and promotional emails. It also helps you focus on important messages and saves time instead of deleting emails every day. And also keeps your email organized and stress free. If you don't see the unsubscribe button, it might be a spam email. So be careful and don't click random links. If you found this helpful, hit like, it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more quick tech tips and share this with someone tired of spam emails.